Hello friends, my name is Gonda. We are watching Codeplay. So today we are doing installation of XAMPP. First click on the XAMPP installer. Then it will be open in few seconds. Ignore all errors. Press next button. It will take more time to install on your machine as per your hardware requirement. Allow to all access to firewall to install XAMPP. Then finish. Now we have to open the control panel. Yes, as per your language, choose and press yes. Then start Apache and MySQL. Allow all the requirements to the XAMPP. Then go to the MySQL admin. It will be show PHP my admin panel. So now you are install all everything environment for the PHP and database. So now we are doing example to check all things are installed correctly or not. Writing PHP code in PHP. Echo hello everyone. And save it as a php.php. This file will be saved in XAMPP folder, then htdoc folder. Here we can make file or file save here. Here creating one folder to save this file. While saving file, save it as formate.php. For accessing file from control panel means from your browser you have to write localhost / your folder name, then file name. Here we go. Here the message of that PHP file will be shown if you install it correctly as per instruction.